When evaluating sources for your research papers, consider the date. Ask yourself 3 questions. Is the source of information a recently published item? Is it an old item, and does it matter? Let's consider 2 scenarios, one in the health sciences and one in the social sciences. Imagine that your topic is Ebola. Your research question might be, is there a cure for Ebola? Is there a vaccination for Ebola? What are the preventative measures against contracting Ebola? This is a very current topic, and a lot of research is being conducted right now as we speak. It would be very important to have very, very recent material when choosing this topic. In contrast, if your research topic was the assassination of Anwar Sadat, and your research question was, what was the reaction of the Egyptian press to the assassination of President Sadat in 1981, it is quite likely that you would want to read the primary sources published at that time. You would want to read newspaper articles published after October 6, 1981 to find out what the reaction of the press was. You might also want to use very current, very recently published articles, maybe something by a scholar in that field who also read the primary sources, the research, the newspapers published at that time. And you would want to incorporate that scholar's analysis into your research paper. So when considering the date, ask yourself these 3 questions. Is the source of information a recently published item? Is it old? And does it matter? And this concludes this presentation about evaluating resources and considering the date.